Well, I'm off early, so I decided I'm gonna paint my rims. So they need a little touching up. I don't know why they're so sticky like that. That stuff you put over the tires, it makes it like real tacky and sticky, and all the dirt and everything sticks to it. So it's hard stuff to get off. But anyways, I'm gonna sand them down. Here's the stuff that I got. I'm gonna sand it with. I'm gonna mask off around the tire. I don't really want to paint the tire part. I got the drill. I found this right here I can use for the tight spots in here and stuff. I don't have nothing else. This is all I got to use. So I'll put that up. And I'm using Rust-Oleum custom spray. I got some 150, and then I got some wet sandpaper, whatever you call it, real fine grain. So follow me on this little journey here, you guys. Let's see what we can make this tire turn into. Let's go. Yeah. So I'm gonna start out. I'm gonna try this thing here. I don't know if it's gonna work or not, but I'll see. It's one of those things. I'm not sure what they're made for, but see if it works for this. It's pretty good in those tight spots. See, like right here. I'll do this and I'll hit it with the sandpaper. It's actually working pretty good. Wish I had something like a little bit looser, something tighter I can get in there with, but it's fine. See, it's working good. Alright, I got her all sanded down for the most part. I mean, I got all the rough spots out and everything. It's not gonna look the best. It's gonna look better than what it was. Like all these rough spots right here, I'm not worried about all that. I'm just gonna put a couple layers of this and it'll cover it up. Alright, it's time to start painting it. I tried to put this tape on there, but it's not sticking to the tire, so I'm just gonna hold it like this. Whichever way the wind is blowing, I hold it like that. That way it don't overspray somewhere. Let that dry for a minute, see what we can do with it. The spray can, for some reason, it wants to splash out, so I'm gonna wipe this end off. I don't know what's going on with it. But I'm just touching it up. Y'all can still see, I got a little mess up set here and there, but it's all right. I'll just put a couple layers of this on. I ain't about to be making her look all like a Ferrari or anything. I'm just touching her up. But let that layer dry, and then we're gonna hit it again. All right, so I'll let that sit there and dry, and I'm gonna hit it with another coat. What do you guys think? Not too bad, huh? I didn't overspray or anything. I think I'm going to get some new lug nuts to put on here. I got some other ones, because I don't like the black lug nut with it, so. I got covers that go on there. But I'm gonna let this dry, and we'll hit it again, you guys. What do you think so far? It ain't bad, just a little touch up, you know what I mean? It ain't like I'm going all in. I might get a clear coat or something put over there. It just looks like some spots, I don't know. I gotta hit it with another layer. All these little bumps and stuff, they'll go away. Y'all see? Dang, look at that rim. That's a nice looking rim. Is that an OEM or what? Man, dang, baby. What's up with that old crusty one back there? Dang, look at that, it looks so good. I'm gonna put a clear coat on there so it's easy to clean too. The next one, we'll work on this bumper. I might get another another fender for her. I need some. I need this headlight over here, the blinker light. I gotta tighten that down. It's loose. She's got problems, you guys. She got problems, but I'm fixing it. I gotta sand this bumper down. I'm gonna try to get these dents and stuff out. Fix this rust. Put a piece of metal, a sheet metal or something over that rust, and tack it on there. You know what I mean? And then put a coat of Bondo on there. Bondo. Yeah, we'll take this off. You know what I'm talking about? Like put a metal plate behind this and tack it to it. Like tack the metal plate to this, stick it to it. Probably take some Bondo or something, put it around the metal and stick it in there and stick it together. make that hold. Gotta put a whole piece right from there to there. I'm gonna go get my paint matched up at this place called Fasteners. It's up on Ridge Road. So I'm gonna go check them out. And yeah, look at that rim. Dang, look at that rim. It's beautiful. Yes, and I can't wait to get a new door, you guys. Follow. And if you want to see my progress on my car, I'll be working on it here next month. Here in about Monday, I get the door, so I'll be working on that too. I wanted to get the rims done now. All right, let's finish painting this thing here, you guys. So I'm hitting the corners. Oh, here comes the wind. I'm gonna wait a minute. If you made it through this far of the video, why don't you give me a little thumbs up? Maybe subscribe. Continue watching. Good enough. How's she looking, guys? And yeah, I didn't overspray. It's just where I sanded it before. You can see some little defaults in there. Like I said, I wasn't doing a perfect job on it. Just something, you know what I mean, just to make it look a little bit better. Cause look at this back one. It's a little crusty. I painted that one not too long ago, and I just painted over what was there before, so I need to sand that down some, get it in there like I did this one. She looked good though, better than what she looked. It ain't perfect. I got some on the tires. I don't know, the pressure washer might get that off. But what you guys think about this little painting tutorial? I will be painting the door that's coming in the mail. I gotta get my paint matched up. I'll be painting it green, same color, and I gotta do some roughing up, sanding down here, and I put the Bondo some of that stuff right there. But I gotta sand that door down and paint it before I put it on here. So I want to get the rims and everything looking good. Everything will look good at one time. I should have matched that tire off, but I'm not worried about it because the pressure washer will bring it off. Only thing is I gotta let that layer soak in. I can see it don't look too bad. It ain't bad. I could definitely do better. I could do better, you guys, but it don't look bad.